Hey guys, if you having a Dyson the vacuum cleaner, it's especially cordless, and been using more than 2 years and doesn't last that long once fully charged, is it because of battery is not efficiently working and almost lifespan is gone? Okay, then you may want to, instead of replacing the total unit that could cost a lot of money, it's simply just replacing the battery and you have a full power to the original level you purchased 2-3 years ago. It happened to me, and I found the compatible. You can buy a original from the Dyson website, the genuine, and it costs a lot. Okay, but if you want, then that's great. If you're not, and then still you can buy a compatible one, and it's a little bit of budget. I bought this one. I'm gonna show the URL. Don't worry. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Leave your comments. Okay. So less than $50. And you can visit. I'm gonna share the URL. You can download the user manual. You can check the sequence of replacing a battery one by one. Okay, and let me show you my video here, how I did it. So there's three screws. Okay, unscrew 1, 2, and 3, and then you can take an old battery out. Okay, like this. Then yeah, you need a screwdriver obviously, and see, very easily disengage. Anybody can do it. So once, see, and it looks like this. So once you disengage, and then from the new one, for me from Amazon, yeah, same shape, right? Same. So same way back to assemble. Okay, let me screw down. Yeah, screw 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Then that's it. And then this one you order, and then it comes with the filter. Okay, so very easy. I can show you here. And this one, you just use your nail, take it out. Okay, a little bit hard, but through this gap and put your finger in. Yeah, take that out and replace, and get the new one and put it back. And this one, you can disassemble by turning counterclockwise. And then either you can throw it away if you want to use it. You can keep it and water clean, and then dry it under the sun outside 24 hours. Okay, yeah, so this is it. If a question, please subscribe my channel, like my video, leave your comments, and thanks for watching.